Well done, lads. We did it. Good guy. Trooper. Oh my god.
I know it's hard to read me, and I know because I'm getting greedy. Cause I can't find one that knows how to treat us, man. I'm just really trying to understand. Who really trying to know who?
I feel like sometimes all we really need is time away from life. Pack a few things and explore a new place. Climb the highest mountain and see what the world looks like from above. And what's an adventure without your mates? Crazy how this pandemic has made me appreciate the things that really matter. To be able to see your friends, to travel again, and realize how much there is to see. It's been a tough year, but I could see the light. I always look back after every trip. I realize it's not about what you do or where you go, but the people that you go with that live in your memories forever. I also realized early in my life that I could rely on nature to be a place of stillness. If you have the time, round up some friends and go on an adventure. It's not the destination that matters the most, but the journey.
Oh shit! I'm trying to create some scenes, fuck's sake, still.
Take my money!
Yeah, it's not focused.
I fucked it. It's not working.
What are you doing in there, bro? Yo.
One of this mother. He is shit.
Do you hear that, guys? Make sure you follow me, subscribe, and like.